Basically, we'll take 4 classes. So out of the 4 classes, all the students will submit their final output. We'll choose the best work. We'll give review and feedback for every student to improve on their sketching skill. That improvement, I'll select the best work. Those works I'll create it as a video here. Make sure you are finding one of your videos here. Maybe in this videos, always in the upcoming classes. If you are a new student, maybe you're watching this, maybe your parents, your child, or some of your family member child is drawing this kind of sketches, then help them to join character sketching class. If you want to try my class, the link is given below. You can register for my demo class. Then once everything works, then you can get into my character sketching classes. Remember that if somebody want to grow, whether in the talented areas or any other areas, they need 2 things. One is they need support. That can be a teacher, mentor, guide, parents, whoever it leader, whoever it is. That's one side. The other side, they need challenge. So they need to be in between. Then that growth will happen. That's called growth mindset. That's called growth opportunities and all the things. They need support, and same time they also need challenge. In between middle, they need to travel. When they travel, then they will be able to improve. That's how all the students who is improved, they start sketching it well before joining, but after joining, they start sketching it very, very great way. The perfection came, the fear gone, expressions. They're sketching right now, it's like the pro level. They are just in the level 1 in the intermediate, and they'll go for the advanced level. They'll sketch much better than this level. After that, they can able to sketch and communicate their ideas, concept, thinking, all the things through the sketching skill. Sketching skill is one of the very important skill. How we know this communication skill is important, presenting skill is important. Like this sketching skill is very important for creators. If this child in the future, if they're going to enter into medical or engineering or fashion design, product design, gaming, animation, these are all the areas. Sketching is important. It is there in the syllabus, there in that the job and all the areas. So this is the unique talent. The student who sketch characters very well, these students can able to communicate better their ideas, concept through the sketching and all the things, because it's one of the important skill for the creators. If your child is always sketching more and more characters, cartoon characters and all the things, check it out, couple of works, make sure you are understood what area the child is spending time, what is their talent. In the art, there are different areas is there. In that, which area they're liking, they're doing. Based on that liking and the interest, you choose the best class for the right class for them. Then they will learn more faster. That skill can be more useful for that particular child. I am talking about especially the character sketching. If the child is having that interest, then the link is given below. You can help them to join my demo class so that you will get clarity about how to take this skill into the next level for the child, and same time what are the benefits they have. In the art, if the child is doing whatever, understand what style it is, and based on that you choose the class.